I don't know good as a good young forward.
Joseph Pablo, Kingsley, goal. Nasana ang Blue Tigers,
Brahasa front and
players,
Blue Tigers area your flag. Brahasa front and Blue Tigers, your flag still here. Brahasa front and Blue Tigers na flag, your flag na pagapon diri kami ang name Peter later joining station.
Okay, players sa orange team, lingkod ang senior high. Senior high lingkod para sa pakiyang daw. Lingkod senior high.
Move backward, 1 meter from the white line. Move backward, students. 1 meter. Kung namin meter stick, dinarod. Move backward, estimate. Sige, move backward. Sige, Diogo Scouts. Ipa-move backward. Naman na mo 1 meter, di ba?
Oh. 5 girls from senior high and 5 for college. Another 5 for middle and senior high and college.
Napalay duha ka station mo, wala na duha sa ilang papel. Puzzle and paper. Asa na tong station no, wala pa nagkuha.
So, Blue Tigers daw need of 1 player. Lalaki, babae.
Reminders for all our game facilitator right after laro ng lahi, please pakibalik po lahat ng materials para din na mag-resource din pakita din. Okay, pakibalik in front sa stage. Thank you.
Okay, players in position. Ayaw sa Dulipi ang Lubin. In position sa Blue Tigers.
Kindly check student out balsa. Dapat ang ilang ID kay 5 ka lalaki na senior high, 5 po ka babae na senior high, 5 ka lalaki na college, o 5 po ka babae na college. Dili puro college, dili puro senior high. Students, ihatag sa inyong ID sa inyong team leader. Ihatag ang ID ninyo kay Masig Honsa.
Time check is already 8:25. 8:25 in the morning, live here at the Salvation Gardens of Davao Gymnasium. So players, team color, make a strategy. So, dyan kayo kung saan kayo naka-position.
Again, according to our general guidelines, you are only allowed to join 2 major events and 3 minor events. If nag-join ka na sa isang major, you can still join the laro ng lahi. Pero nag-join ka sa volleyball and basketball, you are not allowed to join in laro ng lahi. 2 major events only and 3 minor events.
Ilalahin pa daw na. Ilalahin mo ginagawa. Ilalahin mo ginagawa.
Ready na? Sige.
Wait, picture. Para mo dira.
Alright, kompleto na ang lahat sa bronze. How about the blue Italians? Kulang pa o isa ka blue Italian. Okay, kung sino ka man, kompleto na dahil. Alright. We are now for the first major event for the Royal Family. Pinahara ulit. Mahal ulit ang sinawa ng Blue Tiger! The Rock Stars! Husgan baka ang lahat. Piliw sa Italians. And now, let's start this game.